Hello guys, in this video we will discuss Java collection, program, practice and solution, and this is the video on linked list. And firstly I give the overview of the linked list class. Okay, so here the collection framework hierarchy. Linked list is located in java.util package, and linked list is implement to the list and deque interfaces. List, when we should go for list interface, when we allow insertion order, when we preserve insertion order and allow duplicates, then we should go for list. And list interface is based on index based, and deque is a double ended. So in a double ended queue, so we can add, remove or access elements from at both end of the queue. Okay, so and linked list is the implementation class of the list interface and deque. So in linked list we implement methods. It implements list methods, list abstract methods and deque abstract method. Okay, so let's discuss on linked list. Linked list, firstly we discuss node structure of the linked list. So it is a node structure, and in node structure of the linked list containing three nodes. The middle nodes contains actual data, and this is a previous reference to the previous node, and this is the reference of the next node. Okay, and this is the double linked list structure. So each node is connected with each other by previous and next node. Each node is a double ended, and for this reason double linked list, for this reason we efficient insertion and deletion operation at both end, because linked list is a implement, it implement deque. For this reason we can perform operation at both end, front and back. And also insert and delete operation. Effectively we perform insertion and deletion operation because this double ended. So when we should go for linked list, when our frequently operation is insertion and deletion, then we should go for linked list. And here when we add or insert nodes in a linked list, this is our previous linked list. And when add operation is performed at second index, when we add elements at second index, then this node is when insert this node, then only this pointer position of the pointer is shifted. Okay, this 5 points to the 35 and 35 is points to the 5. So when we insert this 50, then this pointer points to the 50, and this 50 points to the 5 elements. Similarly here, only position of the pointer is changed. And in when we delete operation, when we delete element, then here see this pointer position of the pointer is only changed and this node is deleted. When we use array list, then there is a shifting is occurs. When we delete and remove element, then shifting is occurs. But in linked list, only the position of the pointer is changed. Okay, so when our frequently operation is deletion and delete and insert, then the best choice is the linked list because there is no shifting occurs. Okay, so let's start to practice to solve programs on the linked list. The first Java program is write a Java program to append the specified element to the end of a linked list. So firstly I will create empty linked list. So I use linked list implemented class, and generic type is string and reference is color. Okay, and create a new linked list, empty linked list. Firstly I create empty linked list. Okay, and import linked list package and add element using add method. Okay, I use color, reference and using add method we can add element and it returns boolean value. That means when we added element successfully then it returns true, otherwise false. Okay, so using add method we add element. Okay, so our first color is red. In this way, in this using similar okay, so using this add method we can add multiple element in our linked list. Okay, so each element create new node and each node is points to the next node and next node points to the previous node. Okay, so here I create a linked list. Firstly, I create empty linked list and then add using add method we add elements in this linked list and then here I will display this linked list using system.out.println method and display color linked list and save it and run this program. Okay, so our linked list is created. So the next program is write a Java program to insert the specified element at the specified position of the linked list. Okay, so here firstly I create empty array list and then elements add one by one. Okay, so this program is to insert element at a specified element at the specified position. Specified position linked list is a implementation. It implement to the list interfaces. So list is a index base. So this elements is located at 0 index and this is at 1 index. This is second index and third index. Okay. So we have to insert element at a specified position. So here one index at one index we have to insert element. So firstly I use color reference and add method at particular index. So this add method is we can use and this returns white. Okay, so here now at first index we have to insert element. So here I insert one color violet and then display this linked list and then save and run it. Okay, so at first index our violet color is inserted. Here shifting is not occur, only pointers are shifted. Okay, so here violet element this node is created here and pointers are only pointers are shifted. In array list shifting is occur. Okay, so our frequently operation is insertion and deletion, then the best choice is the linked list. So the next program is write a Java program to remove a specified element at the specified position in the linked list. Okay, so using specific index, this element is we have to remove. So I use this color linked list and on this color linked list using remove method we give specific index for removing element. Okay, so here this element is located 0, 1, 2, 3. So I remove this yellow color. So for this I use the third index. Here I use third index and then display color linked list. Okay, and then save it and run Java program. So using index we can remove the elements. Okay, so third index element is removed. When we remove or delete element, then pointer position of the pointer is only change. There is a no shifting is occur when we delete and insert element. Okay, so the next program is write a Java program to insert the specified element at the front of linked list. So Here we have to insert element at the front of linked list. So I use color linked list and using offer first. This method is used to add the insert the specified element at the front of this list. Okay, so for adding element at the front of linked list, so I use here offer first and it returns boolean value. If um, element is added, then it returns true value, otherwise false. So I use this and add color gray color, and I add gray color and then print this linked list. Save it and run this program. Okay, so here added for, at the front of a linked list. Next method is on linked list, color linked list. We have to add element, we have to insert the specified element at the end of the linked list. So at the end of the linked list we have to add. So I use offer last, and this method is for inserts the specified element at the end of the list. So we have to add elements at the end of the list. So I use offer last and I pass the color of this link list. I use white color and then I display this linked list, color linked list. Save it and run this program. So here at end of the linked list white color is added. So the next program is write a Java program to insert element into the linked list at the first and last position. So for inserting element at the first and last position, we use color linked list dot add first. So I use here add first and it returns white. Offer first returns boolean value and this add first returns white. Both are used to insert element at the front side of the element. Add first element for adding element at the first of the linked list. Okay, so insert the specified element at the beginning of the list. So I use this add first. Okay, so here I use the name of the color is blue and then display this linked list. Save it and run Java program. So here at the beginning we can use add first for inserting element at the first position, and for last position I use add last method. Add last we use here and I pass the name of the color is sky blue. Okay, and then save it and run this Java program. So here last color is added at last. Okay, so both are offer first and add first. Both methods are used to insert element at the front side, and offer last and add last, both methods are used to add elements at the end of the list. The difference is this offer first and offer last returns boolean value and this returns white. Okay, so the next program is program to get the first and last occurrence of the specified element in a linked list. So I use here on color linked list, I use get first and last element. Get first method is used to return the first element in the list, and get last, this method return the last element in the list. So I use both here. So first I use get first and print in system.out.println. Okay, so it returns element. So I use this a direct print function. Okay, so here I display first element, first element. Similarly, for get last element, last element, I use get last method, and then save and run this program. Okay, so the first element is blue and the last element is sky blue. So I give distance here. So the next program is write a job program to remove the first and last element from a linked list. So I use here color linked list, and method is remove. Remove first. Remove first method is used to removes and returns the first element from this list, and remove last. This method is used to last for removing last element. So I use first, remove first, and display the color. Sorry, I display here this method direct display in this system function. Okay, and here I write remove first element, first element. Similarly, for last element, I use this and edit here for last element, and I use method remove last dot remove last element. Okay, both are return string value, that means first and last element. It firstly it returns which element is removed, and then only this method only display which elements is removed, and then final linked list we display here, and I save this and run this Java program. Okay, so here this remove method, remove first method and remove last method, it returns which element is removed. So here remove first is blue and remove last is sky blue. These two elements are in this our linked list. So first element this is first element and this is last element. So remove first and remove last displays these two elements are removed, and when we display the final list, so this is our final list where from where blue and sky blue first element and last element are. The next job program is write a job program to remove and return the first element of a linked list. So here remove and return. Okay, so I use color linked list and use pop method. It returns element string value. It returns string value. So pops and elements from the stack represented by this list. In other words, remove and return the first element of this list. Okay, so I use this and display this method. This method is write in display function. Okay, and finally I display the final array list, linked list. Okay, and save it and run this Java program. So pop method is used to is retrieve. Firstly, returns the first element. It returns pop method returns the first element, and when we display linked list, then from this linked list this first element is removed. Okay, so using pop method we can remove and return. We can remove and return, both functions are carry. That means it returns first element and also it returns and also remove. Return and remove both functionality. So the next program is write a Java program to retrieve but not remove. Retrieve but not remove the first element of a linked list. Okay. The last program is remove and return. For remove and return I use pop, and here retrieve but not remove. Okay, and the element is first. So for retrieve and remove, the method name is, I use on color list. The method name is pick. Pick method is used to retrieve but does not remove. Okay, the head element of this list. But our program is retrieve but not remove the first element. So I use this pick first. Okay. So this method returns first element but not remove, only retrieve. Okay, so display here, I display here. This pick method is used to retrieve but not remove, and I also display final linked list. Okay, and then run it. So here pick first method, first element from the linked list, it retrieve first element but not remove from the list. The next program is write a Java program to remove all elements from the linked list. So for remove all elements, I use on color linked list clear method. Using clear method, we can remove all of the elements from the list. This list will be empty after the this call returns. Okay, so here I use clear methods and then I display this linked list and save and run the Java program. So here when I use color clear on color linked list, then our list is empty. All elements are removed from this link. So the next programs I will discuss in next video.